Kim Kardashian, reality TV royalty, beauty mogul, and one of the most photographed women in the world. But in 2013, she made headlines for something far more invasive: the breach of her private medical records while giving birth at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. What really happened behind those hospital walls? Who was responsible for leaking confidential information? And did this violate HIPAA? Let's uncover the story. Kim Kardashian's pregnancy in 2013 was nothing short of a media event. Her relationship with Kanye West was dominating headlines, and fans were obsessed with every bump photo, fashion choice, and birth plan. So when she checked into Cedars-Sinai Medical Center to deliver her daughter, Northwest, it was no surprise that the media was waiting. But what they reported next raised serious concerns. Shortly after her delivery, intimate details about Kim's labor, medical treatment, and even her hospital room assignment surfaced in the media. These were not just general updates released by her team. Some reports contained specific information that only hospital staff or individuals with access to her medical records could have known. At least 4 employees at Cedars-Sinai were later fired for accessing Kim's private medical records without authorization. The incident prompted the hospital to launch a full investigation and notify other celebrities treated there that their information may have also been compromised. HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, was established in 1996 to protect patient privacy. Under HIPAA, it is illegal for healthcare workers to access or share a patient's information without valid reason. This includes everything from medical conditions and test results to treatment plans and room numbers. In Kim's case, multiple hospital employees were found to have accessed her records without a legitimate need related to her care. That's a textbook HIPAA violation, and Cedars-Sinai had no choice but to act swiftly. According to sources, at least 4 individuals, including administrative and nursing staff, were caught accessing Kim's medical files without permission. The hospital fired those involved and publicly reaffirmed its commitment to patient privacy. Kim wasn't the only target. The same audit revealed that dozens of other celebrity patients may have had their records accessed, prompting Cedars to tighten its internal controls and retrain staff on HIPAA compliance. While Kim never publicly confirmed every detail of the breach, sources close to her reported that she was deeply disturbed by the invasion of privacy. She reportedly beefed up her own personal security and began requesting extra precautions for future medical appointments. Cedars-Sinai faced a PR crisis and a reputational hit, though no major fines were publicly levied against the hospital. Why? Because under HIPAA, individual employees are usually the ones penalized, unless a systemic failure or negligence is proven. Unfortunately, Kim's experience is part of a troubling pattern. High-profile patients often face an extra layer of vulnerability, with curious or unscrupulous staff unable to resist peeking into their records. Hospitals like Cedars-Sinai are hotspots for these breaches due to their clientele. Despite annual HIPAA training and strict regulations, enforcement often relies on digital audits and whistleblowers after the damage is done. Employees who violate HIPAA can face serious consequences, including termination, civil fines, and even criminal charges. Fines range from $100 to $50,000 per violation, and prison time can apply in extreme cases. In Kim's situation, the employees were fired, but no criminal charges were pursued, at least publicly. This serves as a reminder that HIPAA isn't just a piece of paper, it's federal law. And it exists to protect the most personal parts of our lives. Technically, patients cannot sue under HIPAA itself. It doesn't provide a private right of action. But celebrities like Kim can sue for invasion of privacy, emotional distress, or breach of contract. Many choose not to, opting instead for tighter security and NDAs. It's unclear if Kim ever pursued legal action, but her case did help highlight a broader issue and may have prompted policy changes at Cedars and beyond. The Cedars-Sinai breach wasn't just a hospital problem, it was a wake-up call. It revealed how fragile privacy can be, even in places meant to protect it. For Kim Kardashian, it was a deeply personal invasion. For the rest of us, it was a lesson in how quickly a system can fail and why HIPAA matters. What do you think? Should hospitals be held more accountable for breaches like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden stories behind Hollywood headlines.